Dubai, the city of luxury, innovation and modern technology. And this is Museum of the Future, the most beautiful building as per the Guinness World Records. Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our YouTube channel Explore with Moin and Sadia. Today we will be exploring the Museum of the Future, and this one will be the part 2. In part 1 you have already known about the ticket price and also how you can visit this place using the metro. In this part we will explore the inside of the Museum of the Future. আমরা ফিউচার মিউজিয়ামের টপে আছি এখন। এখান থেকে তুমি চারপাশে ভিউ দেখতে পারবে। It was another beautiful sunny day. Though the outside temperature was more than 42 degrees Celsius, we were literally burning from the heat, but we enjoyed a lot. This unique museum was an initiative by the Dubai Future Foundation and launched on 22nd of February 2022. And the museum explores how society could evolve in the coming decades using science and technology. And here everyone was busy in taking pictures, so we have to wait for a few minutes, and then we also have taken some beautiful pictures. In total inside the Future Museum, the Museum of the Future. The first one is the OSS, Hope, experience life on a space station 600 km above the earth. The second one is the Hill Institute, an augmented and virtual reality view of the Dubai and the world in 2071. And the third one is the Al Waha. The Oasis offers soothing experience and a sensory room. It's kind of meditating. And the fourth one is the Tomorrow Today, learn about the futuristic technology that already exists today. And finally, Future Heroes, interactive play space designed to inspire children through missions and games. So this is all about the Museum of the Future. Oh, by the way, now we are inside the DNA library, and here you will find a total number of 2,400 DNA samples in total. And this place is one of my personal favorites, so whenever you will visit Museum of the Future, take your time and explore this section very carefully. You will have a lot of things to learn from here. The next zone. This was the DNA house. While the Jota DNA has a showing. Now we are inside the laboratory.
Hello my dears, welcome to the Hill Laboratory. Let's choose one of the floor. We have carbon capture tree, fire resistant tree, wind resistant tree. You will scan your wristband here and watch your digital tree growing in front of you on the screen. The red particles are the carbon dioxide, then later on the blue particles will be the oxygens. Each it will have two outcomes. Sometimes it's failure, sometimes it's success. Hope all of you will run the successful experiment. This one is rainforest agriculture. They are doing experiment on banana trees. And later on, all the successful experiments, we will move them to the observatory. We will keep them into the incubators until we release them into the wildlife. This one cannot do it.
So here in the laboratory, all you have to do is you have to scan your wristband, because we have already mentioned in our first part of Museum of the Future that in every chapter you have to scan your wristband to do the activity. So here also you have to scan your wristband. Once you scan your wristband, then you will see there is a tree growing up, and if the color of the tree is blue, that means you have sufficient oxygen in your body, and if it is red, that means you don't have sufficient oxygen in your body. So depending on your oxygen level, the color of the tree will change. Either it will be blue or it will be red. And after that, from the laboratory, we are going to the forest.
Hello and welcome to the forest. Kindly proceed inside. Please do not block the entrance. In a short while, I'll give you a brief explanation of what you're looking at in front of us.
So this was the laboratory. We are going to the next section. Okay. See you from there. Bye bye. And now we are inside the chapter 3, Al Waha, the Oasis, and it is basically a sensory room, and it will give you a soothing experience. Now we are having our meditation session, and it was included with our tickets. We didn't have to pay anything extra inside the Museum of the Future, and there is no time limit like তুমি কয় ঘন্টা বা কত মিনিট meditation করবে. It's totally depend on your own preference. Done a 1 hour meditation session. It was so relaxing. So hola. So একটা section থেকে সেখানে যাওয়ার জন্য you can use the stair or you can use the elevator. We would suggest to use the stairs. তাহলে তোমার কাছে সাইডের ভিউটা দেখতে পারবে, and you can have an idea the next section কি আছে. আর elevator দিয়ে গেলে তো
This is the spacesuit.
Why we look like in 2071. So we are in 2023 and it is about 2071. We are in future now. But I'm wondering, future can I do white color? Why there's no other color? This is a nice place. Fully technology based. There are many find a room. Just communicate whatever there. থাকে না? You can have a conversation. Whatever you want to say, and you reply.
And this is the future drone. See the drone? That's the place of That's the future drone. Possibility.
In future, all the delivery will be done by the Filing software 2.0. Filing software. And right beside the final chapter, you will find the souvenir shop as well, and from where you can buy t-shirts, mugs, keyrings, fridge magnet, and there are many other things, but these are a bit expensive. But if you want, you can have it. So yeah, that's all for today. We are signing off from the Museum of the Future, and we hope you have enjoyed our vlog. If you did, don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe to our channel for more adventure coming up next. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, and let us know what you wanna see in our next vlog. Take care. Bye bye.